Today, we will listen to the story of the most familiar monkey in the jungle, Dr. Peelz. Peelz is neither a CEO nor an investment guru. He is just like us, an ordinary monkey who doesn't know what to do about earning bananas. Peelz wakes up every morning to his alarm and works long hours on the apple collection belt at the Big Apple Company. When he returns home in the evening, he is exhausted, and his basket contains just enough bananas to cover his bills. He looks around. While the rich monkeys are enjoying themselves, he is still busy gathering leaves. Peelz asks himself, "I work harder, but I earn less banana. Does banana only go to the lucky ones? Or the genius monkeys?" If you feel like Dr. Peelz, know that the problem isn't you. The problem is the wrong banana equation you were taught. The wrong equation that Dr. Peelz and all the monkeys in the jungle learned at school was this: bananas earned equals time spent. This equation meant that he was trading his most valuable resource, time, for a fixed amount of banana per hour. If Peelz wanted more banana, what should he do? He had to work more hours. This vicious cycle would take decades to fill his banana basket, and in the end, all that would be left is an exhausted monkey. This path is a time trap that swallows you up, no matter how smart you are. As long as you are selling your time, your banana income can never provide you with the banana freedom you dream of. Desperate, Dr. Peelz went to the wise-faced Mango, who lived deep in the jungle and was known not for his banana wealth, but for his wisdom. Peelz confessed all his fears about the lack of banana. Mango pointed to the huge pile of bananas Peelz had been working on and spoke only 2 sentences. "Forget earning bananas, kid. Solve problems." The new equation that Mango taught was the one the rich monkeys had used for centuries. The jungle, the market, pays a monkey in proportion to the value provided to the entire jungle, not for working hard. Bananas earned equals magnitude of problems solved times scalability. Peelz was confused when he heard this equation. Solve problems? I can only gather bananas, he thought. Following Mango's advice, he began listening to the jungle. What are the monkeys complaining about? Soon, he found a problem. Monkeys waste too much time trying to reach the fresh water source at the top of the jungle every morning. Dr. Peelz was excited and designed his first solution: carrying a large bucket on his back every morning to deliver water to a few monkeys. This would earn him bananas. But Mango immediately intervened. That is just a new version of your old job, Peelz. Every second you carry a bucket, you are still selling your time. You cannot scale this solution. The real secret? The solution had to work even when you weren't there. Dr. Peelz spent months working to design and build an automatic bamboo pipeline system that carried water from the top of the jungle downhill. Building this system was very difficult, but once the pipeline started working, it could deliver water to hundreds of monkeys in the jungle even while Peelz was sleeping. Now, every monkey paid a small amount of banana for the water delivered to their home. It was this scalability that finally freed Peelz from the trap of selling his time. Dr. Peelz now owned hundreds of banana trees. Each one automatically produced bananas, assets. He felt like a smart monkey now because he had learned the right equation. Mango's final words were what all of us need to remember. Peelz, you didn't strive for a pile of bananas. You strove for time freedom. Banana is simply the natural reward that comes from solving problems. Banana scarcity is an illusion. If you too want to go from an ordinary monkey like Dr. Peelz to a free monkey, stop chasing bananas today and start looking for a problem to solve in the jungle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow Dr. Peelz' journey.